35.
170 to Savos, and then on Savos over to tower 1835, ExecJet 3.
Thank you.
Approach Jet 260 with you, we're level 7,000 for the ILS 6 right.
Evening tower, ExecJet 389, Savos inbound ILS 6 right.
ExecJet 389, Toronto Tower, low number 2, dash 8 short final, wind calm, clear to land runway 06 right.
Clear land 6 right, ExecJet 389.
33,000,
Jet 2101, when you cross the Savos, contact Toronto Tower 118.35.
1835 by Savos, Westjet 2101, good night.
Action to Delta 1 and cross 06 left for perimeter 4321.
Target evening, Westjet 2101, coming up on Savos.
Westjet 2101, Toronto Tower, number 2, citation 2 final, wind calm, clear to land runway 06 right.
Check number 2 for last 6 right, Westjet 2101.
ExecJet 389, expedite to the forward high-speed Delta 1 and cross runway 06 left.
Expedite to Delta 1, cross 06 left, ExecJet 389.
Tower, Transit 3491, ILS 6 right. ExecJet 389, you need to go a lot faster than that, expedite.
We're looking for the turn-off, 389.
Westjet 2101, I'm not sure why traffic has stopped. Pull up and go around.
Westjet 2101 in the go-round.
ExecJet 389, what are you doing? Exit the runway.
Getting off the runway, make the next right, ExecJet 389, our apologies.
Echo, Golf Hotel, cross runway 33 left.
Echo Golf Hotel. Westjet 2101, climb 3,000 feet, turn right heading 100.
Right, 3,000 and, say again?
Westjet 2101, 3,000 feet on the climb, 100 degrees on the heading.
100 on the heading, 3,000 feet, Westjet 2101.
ExecJet 389, I'm not sure what would possess you to turn around on an active runway. Delta 1 is a forward high speed meant to be taken at 55 knots. Right now you are in Delta 4. So cross runway 24 right, contact ground 1219. We will give you a phone number to call.
I understand. We'll cross 06 left, Delta 4, and over to ground ExecJet 389.
Transit 349er, final 6 right. Westjet 2101, contact departure 1288.8.
28, Westjet 2101.
Transit 349, Toronto Tower, wind calm, clear to land runway 06 right.
3247, Blue Straight 5667.
Pratt 328, contact center 12492.
2492, Pratt 328.
Westjet 2101, Toronto, if you're here, climb to 4,000 feet.
Clear to land 06 right, Jazz 260.
Westjet 2101, if you're still here, you can climb 4,000 feet.
4,000, Westjet 2101.
Westjet 2101, you on frequency?
Westjet 2101, you can contact the departure on 128.8.
98, Westjet 2101.
Westjet 385, tower, line up runway 05.
Toronto Tower, good evening, CTV1.
CTV1, tower.
CTV1 currently over town of on 1,500 feet, requesting to do orbits on the west side of the zone at the 401 and Mississauga Road intersection.
CTV1, remain clear of the zone for now.
We'll go, CTV1.
Westjet 2101, contact departure 128.8.
Westjet 2101, departure.
Departure, Westjet 2101 with you in the climb for 4,000.
Westjet 2101, departure, roger. Climb to 5,000 with a good rate.
5,000, good rate, Westjet 2101.
Westjet 2101, turn right heading 240, vectors back around to 06 right. 8 is now pop, altimeter 3007.
I say rate to 240, confirm?
Right turn 240.
240, Westjet 2101.
Jet 389, let me know when you have a second to copy a phone number down the call. Jet 389, before I switch you to apron here, are you ready to copy that number?
Yes, I'm ready to copy.
Okay, it's 90567.
Got it, 90567. ExecJet 389.
Jet 389, thanks. Contact apron now 12207.
Alright, 2207, ExecJet 389.
Tower, hello again, WestJet 2101, back with you on the ILS 6 right.
WestJet 2101, Toronto Tower, hello again. Much less exciting this time. You're number 2 at an Embraer 2.5 final. Winds are calm. You are clear to land runway 06 right.
Land 6 right, WestJet 2101.